everyone, so today, so many cars. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm just going to do a very like simple like everyday makeup, and also I've curled my hair for like first time in forever. And I also did like this wash, like the, what do you call it, like the ones that wash, the dyes that like wash out in like a week, it said. Also done one of them, so if my hair looks like slightly pink or reddish, that's why. So yeah, it's officially 2019, and I thought I would start the year off by going through basically the history of this channel and what I'm going to be doing this year. So yeah, if you would like to see me get ready and talk about that, then just keep on watching. I also got a new sponge for Christmas. So yeah, this is the Eco Tools one, and I think I like it a lot better than the Real Techniques one. Although when you first get it, it is quite firm, but like once you use it a couple times, it's really good. If you're looking for like a cheap alternative to the Beauty Blender, that's good. Get this Eco Tools one. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna put my hair back first. Oh goodness, that looks ridiculous. I'm gonna put this on. Oh goodness, why am I struggling? Why is this so hard? Okay. There we go. Maybe if I just make sure that I look like I have some hair. Oh my goodness, that looks so ridiculous. Okay, I'm just going to, oh, I need my lip balm. Be right back. I was hoping to get my Lush one, but I've just got this one instead. So I'm going to put some lip balm on. This one's like tinted. Also, I cleaned up my, oh, not that one. I cleaned this palette. I can actually see in the mirror. Oh goodness, that's so tinted. But at least my lips are moisturized. Also, I did like write down a few things on my phone, so yeah. So the history of the channel is what I'm going to start. So I'm just going to start from the start. So basically at the start, basically how it all started was me and my cousin decided that we wanted to make a YouTube channel one time. This was like 3 years ago, by the way. Anyway, so we decided we want a YouTube channel, and so we made one. We realized that it wasn't really going to work because we weren't together often enough to film videos. It was fun, like, don't get me wrong, but we just weren't together often enough. We're both busy. Okay, so then what happened was I started uploading by myself, but it was still called like The Gorgeous 2 at that point, even though I was the only one uploading. Okay, and then I decided that I wanted, this year, that I wanted a fresh start, and I did debate whether just making a new one. But then I thought that I already uploaded a couple of things on here. I uploaded quite a few, but then I ended up privating them all. Not all of them, but some of them. I just moisturized, and this is, I got this like little sample of this Mecca hydrating mist when I got a gift card for Christmas, a Mecca gift card. So I'm just going to spray some of that. And then I'm going to bounce it in. Yeah, so basically then I ended up asking her if she doesn't mind if I could just have my name on the channel and my face, and she said that it was fine. And she said, yeah, she would still watch my videos and support me, and yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. So she said it was fine. Now it's just me on this channel, and I'm going to be uploading from now on weekly. Basically told you nearly everything, and I have barely started. So now I'm going to take a little bit of foundation, like half a pump, I think. just a tiny dot, or like maybe one pump that was. And I'm going to be mixing it with this tinted moisturizer. And I'm going to do about the same amount. And then I'm just going to mix that together and put that on my face. And with this, I like using a brush because it's a moisturizer. It doesn't have much coverage anyway. The sponge will just soak it all up, and then it will look like I might as well have done nothing to my face. So I'm going to be using a brush, and then maybe I'll go over with a beauty blender with some of the product that's left on my hand because I put too much on. And if you're not following my Instagram, go follow that, because sometimes on my Instagram I'll upload photos of like makeup looks that I've just done when I'm like and I haven't like filmed, you know. So yeah, it's always good to follow me on there. And if you ever want like a tutorial on any of the photos you see, just comment it on Instagram and let me know. I feel like I'm getting a fresh start with this whole YouTube channel thing because it's been kind of like rocky for the past 3 years. So yeah, this year I'm going to try and upload consistently and every week. I'm now just going in with a sponge with the stuff that's left over on my hand and putting that on. But if I go away for like a holiday or something and I don't have any like internet or anything, that's the only time I'm not going to be uploading. Or if I'm like sick one week and can't film, like badly sick, I mean not like just a little bit sick, and then I'll upload 2 videos the week after. So yeah, that's how I'm doing it. And by the way, yesterday was New Year's Eve and we stayed up till midnight. I didn't go to bed till 2 o'clock. But yeah, this is henna, I mean. And yeah, it's really cool, and I would like to, because I didn't do it, a friend did it, and I would like to get some, so we've got to ask them where they get it from. I would also like to know what you got for Christmas and what your New Year's resolutions are, because I don't usually do them. I'm just putting a bit of the Tarte Shape Tape on. I'll have to get a job this year though, because last year I couldn't because I was traveling, and then the years before that I was too young for a job. So also I pre-filmed some videos, and in them I still have my braces on, and obviously now I don't because I got them off before Christmas. I'm actually going to skip to my eyebrows and come do my face later. I've got a few video ideas already, which I'm a bit excited about. And as I said, I've pre-filmed some things too. Oh, and also when I was pre-filming them, I was watching it back, and because I haven't done this in so long, I was like speaking really slow and like weirdly, so I had to try and edit it so I didn't sound as slow. Oh, yeah, I feel like I'm more alive in this video and more me. So I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be right back because I can't really speak while I'm doing my eyebrows. Anyway, I'm gonna now take this lipstick here and use that as my blush. Don't be afraid of the blush. Then I'm going to take my sponge. I really like cream products. I think I should use them more often because I think they just look better on me and they look more natural than if you put like a powder on. It's so cute! I also like this thing recently where I put a little bit on my nose too. That was a lot. Holy mackerels. Is that an Australian thing to say? That's my blush. Also, if there's any friends out there who want to film a video with me, I would be happy to film one with you. Because sometimes sitting in a room by yourself filming a video, sometimes just isn't that fun, you know? Sometimes you just need a company, need some people around you, you know? So I'll be right back when I finish powdering with the Cody S1 powder. Okay, so I'm now going to be bronzing with this bronzer from the Body Shop. Tap, 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 tap the bronzer in. Tap, 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 tap the bronzer in. Not a footprint to be seen. The kingdom of the shut up. Kingdom of isolation. And it looks like I'm the queen. I'm just gonna do some bronzer on my eyes. Highlights time. I like putting lots on and then like blending it out with a beauty blender. I'm just gonna take this hydrating mist and put some on my sponge, and then I'm going to just bounce that all over my face and rehydrate the face. Oh, why much? I picked up my phone to use it as a mirror. Yes, that just makes the highlight look so good. Oh, I look so blushy. What the hell is that? Oh, that's on the door. It's the mirror. Oh, I'm a silly goose. Now, for the last two steps, I'm going to put some mascara on. I'm using this Revlon volume and length magnifier, which is like pretty much empty, but that's okay. I'm just going to have really natural lashes, you know? Now I'm going to add a bit of lip color. Colors are like pinky browns. I don't want my lips to look perfect and have like the perfect outline and look like that lipstick on. I just want like a bit of a tint. Take my hair out now. My makeup's looking a bit too pink. Sorry, like my lips, my lips looking too pink. So I'm gonna add this NYX Butter Lip Gloss in the shade Sugar Wafer on top and just, you know, because it's more of a peachy color. Okay, so this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also I hope you learned a little bit about the history of this channel and what's to come in the future. So yeah, make sure to give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And also don't forget that to go like this photo that I put on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.